Hello and welcome, my name is Daniel Ball, I'm the IT trainer at the Lee Academies Trust, and today we're going to be looking at some new updates in Google Sites, and particularly about how you can insert layouts that will help you in consistent formatting and great design of your Google site. So if we head over to Google Sites, what we'll notice on the right hand side under the Insert menu is a new set of functions called Layouts. And what this basically does is give us some predefined layouts that we can just insert and then utilize to create our sites. So if I click on the first one here, it inserts a block with some placeholders in it, and then with these placeholders I can add some information. So I could put an information saying welcome, so it's already got the text in there. Put some text in, and I can then do the plus for an insert, and it's the usual kind of features that it's allowing you to insert. So I'm going to choose an image. Let me find something from my profile. There you go, a photo of myself. Now obviously it's giving you a set size, so you can actually, if you double click, you could then move the image around to make that correct, or you could use the blue circles just to resize some of your image there. So there are a number of different layout options, so if you just click a layout option and it brings that in for you to then populate. One of the other features that has just been added as well is this information here. It's called button. So if I click on button, I can say here is a link to more information, and I'm going to link it to a website. So I could do this to another page within my website or an external site. So here's the information on these new improvements in Google Sites. So I'm going to click the link, click insert, and that inserts it there. Obviously the text I put in is a bit too much, so what I can then do is drag that to make it bigger. At the moment there's no other functions to resize or recolor, so we're a bit limited, but I'm sure there'll be more functionality added soon. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, there are a few things you can do. First of all, subscribe to the channel. Second, hit the like button. Third, write in the comments. And fourth, share the video with others. We also have many more videos on our training channel, so do check that out.